everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody, back with a video. So in this video, I'm taking part in a collaboration that's hosted by Christina over at the DIY Mommy. This is called a Spring Decor and DIY Challenge. I'm choosing to show you guys my sofa and just a couple of other items that I have in my living room for the spring. If you're not familiar with Christina's channel, I'm going to leave the link to her channel below, as well as the other participants in the playlist. If you're visiting me from any of the other channels, welcome to Homebody. I hope that you see fit to hit that subscribe button, and hello to all my faithful subscribers. So in this video, I am showcasing the new sofa that we purchased for the living room. This is I think it's like 91 or 94 inches long sofa, and I'm loving it. Now, I originally wanted to get the sofa with the nail heads, but that particular sofa was a little bit it sat too low to the floor. So I ended up getting this one, and I'm loving it. It fits perfectly in my room, and I can do so much with it. So I'm going to go ahead and add the pillows on the sofa, and then I'll just show you guys just a brief tour of this room. Okay, since it's spring, you guys, and this is a spring challenge, I am going to be using my aqua pillows for the spring, and I'm going to be pairing them with white. Okay, you guys, so now I have the white pillows added here. Now, I do have my grandkids here, so you may hear a baby shark in the background and somebody playing with Beyblades in the background, but that's understandable when you have kids and grandkids, right, you guys? So yeah, so this is how I'm going to style the sofa for now. I'm actually gonna add a couple of other pillows on here. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna have these pillows on here for today. So I think everything is really cute here. And so if I step back, you can see my little miniature coffee table that I have. I ordered this coffee table from Wayfair, and it's perfect for my space because it's small and it actually can expand out. It has 4 different shelves and it can span out. So that's the coffee table area. And over here is an accent chair that I also purchased, and right now I have too many pillows on it, so I can style it that way, or I can style it many ways with that throw, but I'm going to leave this pillow on here for now. So this is what my living room is looking like now with the new sofa and the accent chair. Over on this end, I don't think nothing's changed. The only thing different that I have over here is I put my ottoman at the bottom of my entryway table. Other than that, this is actually all the same in my previous video. Here's Rylan with his cars. I'm sure you guys can hear it. So yeah, so this is all the same. So yeah, so I have the same identical styling that I had in my previous video when I featured my sofa table.